So are you fed up of having that soft toilet seat slamming down? I'm going to show you a quick fix on how to do this, and it's really easy. You can do it yourself. I'll pull the toilet seat off. Sometimes you've got a little button underneath that you've got to press to get that toilet seat off. Once you've done that, you can then take off the retaining lugs that are holding the old dampeners in, and you can just pull them straight out, and on there you will find the part number, so you can order yourself some new ones. You can take the new ones and slide them straight back in, and then just twist it to line it up with the lugs inside. Do the second one. Once that's been completed, you can then insert the retaining lugs that are back in there, giving it a bit of a jiggle if you can't quite get it in, and then the other side is easily done as well. Once that's done, you can then place your toilet seat back on and test the dampeners. Job done.